Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you that how you can install YouTube app on your Windows 10 operating system. So for installing YouTube app you can go Microsoft Store. So Microsoft is the official Microsoft Store, so where you can get the all kind of app video that whatever you want from Microsoft services. So as you can see Microsoft Store is opening. So here we are gonna search YouTube. Okay, YouTube. Okay, we have searched YouTube. As you can see, we have got Uplay, Netflix, Prime Video, but we are not getting YouTube, which is a problem for some people. So you might not get YouTube here. So there is a shortcut way then you can install YouTube app for your Windows 10. So all you need to do, you have to go to browser, then you have to go to youtube.com. Okay, then after coming to the youtube.com you have to make sure that your YouTube is fully loaded. So then you have to click on three dot here from the right side, then you will see an option here is install YouTube. So if you have to go to youtube.com, otherwise if you use another particular website you won't get this. For installing YouTube you have to go to youtube.com, then you will see an option. Okay, and click on install YouTube, then you click on install. So as you can see your YouTube has been installed successfully. So if I go to control panel, if I want to show you control panel, okay, then programs, all programs. So if I show you, then as you can see YouTube has been installed. So if you go to your desktop you can see that as well. As you can see that YouTube app is installed successfully on your Windows 10 operating system. So I hope this will help you a lot. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.